Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. You are welcome once again to my channel. Today I'll be making fried fish. It takes me less than 20 minutes to prepare this. Here are all the ingredients I'll be using. So let's get right to the video. So I'm going to start washing my fish very well. I'm going to be using lemon because it helps to take out the fish's smell, because I don't like the strong smell of a fish, but I love to eat it. And then I'm going to rinse it out with some cold water. For this recipe, I'm using boneless red snappers. I'm also going to place my fish onto the kitchen towel to remove some excess water. It is time for me to start seasoning my fish, so I'm going to season it very well on each side. I am going to put some oil into the frying pan, and I'm going to start frying my fish on low medium heat, and I will allow it to fry for 7 minutes on each side. The fish is already done frying and it was so yummy. It was so crispy outside and very tender inside, just the way I like it. So I decided to fry some onions and decorate it, and also I decorated it with some parsley. It tastes so good. You can have this fish with some jollof rice, fried rice, some couscous, anything you like to, or you can just eat it like that. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to click on the like button. See you guys next time. Bye.